Realtors Property Resource is one of the most innovative benefits included in your NAR membership, delivering on-the-go access to an all-encompassing real estate data platform available exclusively to Realtors and offered at no additional cost. Creating an account on RPR is simple. Start by visiting narrpr.com. From the login page, choose Create a New Account. A window will open and you'll enter your last name and email address, or you can choose to enter your last name and NRDS ID. Select Next Step and RPR will alert you that an activation email is on its way. From the activation email, select Activate My Account. You'll be redirected back to the sign-up wizard in RPR with your information auto-populated. On the second step of the wizard, confirm your first and last name. Your email populates, which is your RPR username, and you can now create a password. For the next step, link your MLS or CIE information, which may also be auto-populated from your NRDS account. If you belong to more than one MLS or CIE, link the additional memberships so you can take full advantage of RPR and your MLS and CIE memberships. Choose your state from the drop-down, then choose your MLS or CIE and enter your agent ID. If you don't belong to an MLS or CIE, let us know here. Finally, once you finish, you have the option to print your username and password, or you can go directly to the RPR site. Update your profile here. And your last step is to download the RPR app to your iOS and/or Android devices. Simply go to Google Play or the App Store, search RPR Mobile, and download to your devices. Now you can access RPR anytime, anyplace. And be sure to subscribe to the RPR YouTube channel. It's an easy way to learn more about RPR features and tools and stay current on updates and improvements.